This is Morgan Cummins with Sandbed Performance. Just want to give a little rundown about this diagnostic I just did on this 2001 Lexus GS430. It was running lean, both banks. It was saying like 25-30% on the fuel trims. On the long term, it would switch back to the short term, back and forth, back and forth. And it had a definite skip. You could hear it in the exhaust. So I started going around here and looking around, look at all the vacuum lines, spraying some carburetor cleaner here and there. I put my hand right here and the note changed. So I started spraying around here, trying to figure out if the box is cracked, air box is cracked. No, that wasn't it. Took it off, and this little hose that goes right here, you see at the very bottom, this sucker was just sucking air straight into the air box. So it just dry rotted and cracked. Alright. So I got a little bit bigger hoses, some coolant hose I had at the shop, but I went and put some worm gear clamps on there, but it's on there and it's not, the fuel trims are still lean, but it does have a misfire that I want to fix first before I get into that, and it was just on number 2 only. So I just pulled number 2 coil, swapped it with number 1, and of course it moved. So I'm going to put a coil on it tomorrow and we'll continue from there.